Hello my dear friends, how are you? This is a weekly chart of USDJPY. We already informed you we have strong base area in this place. Support, resistance. Resistance, really base, really draw. Really base, really demand zone with SNRS and D bullish engulfing. So this is our strong area if market break down and pass this area. So next target will be this. This supports will be not work because high breakout. So this is our demand zone. This demand zone already retested. And if market break out this area, so this demand zone is this with bullish engulfing. And this demand also already retested. And this demand again already retested. But this is our major area drop. Base drop supply area with support market breakout. First time retested, then breakout with bullish engulfing. So this is our SNR area with bullish engulfing. And our team already uploaded video in January. First January 2nd, 2026 JPY. All pair will be crashed in 2026, so maybe in March or maybe in June. Now we check H4 chart and we see about look our target. This is our H4 chart, look here. High, higher high this demand zone and QM higher. High low lower, low confirm for buy here. Liquidity available in previous video. We are already informed you market made here. Drop base drop, so this is our supply zone. We need confirmation this area breakdown. Look our team drawing same. So we take entry sell from here because here we have S. NR and our stop loss will be above this high. So look market. Respect this area. FBG SNR bullish engulfing.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
So our sell entry confirmed. And now our target will be this area. Here we need again confirmation. And we can take direct entry from this area. And our first target will be this drop. Base drop zone market. Our sell trade. Positive. You can close and you can get profit taking now. And now our buy will be start from this area. This area and our stop loss will be below this support area. And our next target will be first is this, and our second target will be this area. We apply here Fibonacci high to low. And this is our 1-6 reversal zone first, and this is our second reversal zone too. 6-1. Why we buy? Because our daily chart, weekly chart is currently buy position. So we can take entry buy from here directly, but it's good if market small time frame made her drop. Base drop and one first supply breakout. Then we take entry retest QM zone by entry. This is the best because we see market have selling pressure. So market easily can break directly this area. But not possible market break down directly this area. Market will be first respect this area, then will go up and then can break down this area. Otherwise market is bullish USDJPY. If we look at daily chart of weekly chart, So remember this. Thanks. If you have any question, you can ask anytime. Our Telegram link available in description.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.